The friend zone, two words that send shivers down most men's spines. You like her, you want her, but she only sees you as a friend. The worst part? She knows you want more, but keeps you around, soaking up your attention while chasing after men who don't treat her half as well as you do. Most guys react in one of two ways. Either they stick around, hoping she'll wake up one day and see them differently, or they walk away, bitter and rejected. Both are mistakes, because the truth is, the friend zone isn't a permanent sentence. It's a test. And if you know how to play it right, you can flip the entire dynamic, making her see you in a way she never has before. So if you've been friend zoned, don't beg, don't chase, and definitely don't sit around waiting for her to wake up and pick you. Instead, do this, and when you do, she won't just see you as a friend, she'll crave you. Let's get into it. 1. Stop being her emotional safety. Net the friend zone exists for one simple reason. She doesn't feel the right kind of attraction toward you. Not because you're not good enough, not because you lack something, but because you positioned yourself as safe, predictable, and easy. And one of the biggest reasons for that, you've become her emotional support system. Think about it. When she's upset, when she's stressed, when she needs someone to vent to, who does she call? You. And the moment you pick up that phone, listen to her complaints about another guy, and give her endless reassurance, you reinforce a dangerous idea. He's always here for me, no matter what. On the surface, that might seem like a good thing. After all, women want men who care, who listen, and who support them, right? Yes, but not like this, because attraction isn't built on comfort alone. It's built on excitement, uncertainty, and desire. And right now, there's no uncertainty with you. She knows you'll always be there, whether she gives you what you want or not. That's not attraction. That's dependence. And dependence is what makes her run to you when she's sad, but chase the guy who excites her when she's happy. The fix? Step back. Stop playing her therapist. Stop picking up every emotional baggage she dumps on you. Stop letting her drain you emotionally while giving nothing back. The next time she comes to you looking for support, cut it short. Shift the focus. Say something like, "Man, you really have to stop letting guys treat you like this. Anyway, I can't talk long. I'm heading out." No more deep therapy sessions. No more hour-long talks where she feels understood but not attracted. At first, she might not notice, but over time, she will. Because suddenly, you're not that safe, predictable guy anymore. You're not always there, ready to catch her. And the second she feels like she has to work for your attention, that's when she starts wanting it more than ever. 2. Create emotional distance and trigger jealousy. If there's one thing that makes a woman reassess everything she thought about you, it's jealousy. Not in a manipulative, toxic way, but in a way that makes her realize, wait, why am I not the center of his attention anymore? Most guys in the friend zone make the same mistake. They give all their emotional energy to one woman. They're too available, too eager, too invested. So she never has to wonder, never has to question, never has to feel any sense of loss. But the moment she starts feeling your absence, the moment she sees you shifting your energy elsewhere, that's when things change. How do you do it? First, stop being so accessible. If she texts you, don't reply immediately. If she asks to hang out, don't always say yes. If she's used to you always being available, start saying no. You're showing her, without words, that you have a life outside of her. But here's the real power move. Let her see you giving your attention to other women. Nothing makes a woman question her feelings faster than seeing another woman enjoy your company. You don't have to fake it or play high school jealousy games. Just start expanding your social circle. Talk to other women and make sure she notices. Post a picture out with friends where there happens to be an attractive woman next to you. Mention in passing that you had a great conversation with someone new. Because here's what happens when you do this. Her brain starts reacting. Wait, is he into someone else? Why doesn't he text me like before? Did I miss something? At first, she might pretend she doesn't care, but inside, she'll be thinking about you more than ever. And that is the beginning of attraction. Third, shift the power dynamic. Stop seeking her validation. Most men in the friend zone desperately seek validation, even if they don't realize it. The way they agree with everything she says, the way they laugh a little too hard at her jokes, the way they go out of their way to prove they're good enough. All of it screams, I hope you like me. And that kills attraction instantly, because attraction isn't about proving your worth. It's about making her feel like she has to earn you. Think about the men women actually chase. Do those guys try to win her over? Do they wait around for her approval? Do they act like they're walking on eggshells, afraid to say the wrong thing? Number, they own the room. They don't chase. They make women step up to meet them. So, how do you shift the dynamic? Stop over-complimenting her. Stop agreeing with everything she says. Stop waiting for her approval. Instead, challenge her. If she says, I hate pineapple on pizza, don't just nod. Say, wow, I thought you had good taste. I guess I was wrong. Suddenly, you're not just another guy feeding her validation. You're someone she has to work for. And that is what makes her chase. Final words. The friend zone isn't about luck. It's about perception. Women don't friend zone men because they're not good enough. They do it because they don't feel that raw, undeniable pull. But the second you shift the energy, when you become less available, more mysterious, and undeniably high value, everything changes. Now, she has to work for your attention, your time, your presence. And when that happens, she won't just want to be your friend anymore. She'll want something much more. This is Stoic Guide. Until next time, stay sharp, stay aware, and never settle for being anyone's second choice.